Think Samsung just makes smartphones and TVs? Think again. This tech giant is building massive ships, advanced fighter jets, and even powerful engines. Samsung's reach goes way beyond gadgets, and today, we're taking you inside their world of heavy industry. Let's get started. While Samsung is famous for its sleek devices, there's a whole other side to the company that most people don't see. Today, we'll uncover how Samsung has expanded into shipbuilding, aerospace, and engine technology, becoming a force across multiple industries. From the depths of the ocean to the skies, Samsung's influence runs deep. Picture ships larger than football fields, designed to transport goods across the globe. This is Samsung's world of shipbuilding, where they've been making waves since the 1970s. Massive achievements. Samsung's shipyard builds everything from giant cargo vessels to offshore oil platforms. Their shipbuilding branch, one of the largest in the world, has produced record-breaking container ships and high-tech LNG carriers that are setting new standards for the industry. Advanced technology. Using AI and robotics, Samsung's shipyard creates vessels with precision and efficiency, making them safer and more reliable. They've even ventured into renewable energy, building specialized ships for wind turbine installation, showing that their reach extends well beyond smartphones. If Samsung building ships surprised you, their ventures in aerospace might shock you even more. Aviation beginnings. Samsung Aerospace was founded in the 1970s as part of South Korea's move to advance in aerospace and defense. Through partnerships with major defense contractors, Samsung helped build parts for the KF-16 fighter jet, a Korean version of the F-16. Supporting national security. The jets Samsung helped produce were crucial for South Korea's defense. In 1999, Samsung's aerospace division merged into Korea Aerospace Industries, which today continues developing military jets and even satellites, but the foundation started with Samsung. Beyond ships and jets, Samsung has also made strides in engines and precision tech, supporting industries from manufacturing to defense. Engine innovations. In earlier years, Samsung's engineering branch produced engines for both civilian and defense use. Their commitment to innovation built a reputation for reliable, high-performance engines used in industrial machinery and defense systems. Ongoing legacy. Samsung Engineering and the now renamed Hanwha Techwin, originally part of Samsung, have provided vital engine parts and robotics across industries. This work demonstrates Samsung's reach into fields well beyond what most people know. Samsung's journey into these massive industries set new standards in South Korea and beyond, adding to its image as a truly global powerhouse. Innovation and sustainability. Their investments in robotics, AI, and eco-friendly materials mean the ships, engines, and aerospace parts they create are among the most advanced in the world. Samsung is also a leader in green technology, producing energy-efficient ships to reduce emissions, proving they're shaping the industry's future. So next time you see Samsung's logo on a device, remember it represents much more than gadgets. This company powers ships that cross oceans, builds fighter jets that protect nations, and develops engines that drive industries. Samsung's reach is bigger than most people realize, spanning from electronics to engineering on a massive scale. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos on the surprising sides of tech giants.